Hello guys, I am Emre and welcome to ZART Wiki tutorial. So yeah, this is the first video of our tutorial videos, so let's get started. First of all, there's some parts in this video. You can see the parts from description. So yeah, let's get started. First of all, we should go to our website. So how can we do it? You can write zart.fandom.com or just write Zelande XYZ. If you write zelanda.xyz, you will see this page. So what is it? It's the discussion page. So click main page to go to the main page. But if you write zart.fandom.com, you will see the main page first. If you are searching an article, just write here your article name, such as Kingdom of Zelanda. Yeah. Then click enter. Then you can see your article here. Also, you can see the news in the main page. The ZART Wiki founded, or the Formula Zelanda announced. And yeah, that's all. Actually, it's very simple video, but if you want to add an article, you must watch tutorial 2. So see you next time.